Everyone, I'm now in the US and I have a big problem in my room. My blinds are stuck and I couldn't find any video. So what happens is you have this blind and you can adjust, right, whether the lights can come in this manner or the other way, okay? But you want to raise it up to have more sun. So what do? There's no cord, right, to pull and raise it up. So what you do is you take it and lift it, okay? And this is magic because it just go up automatically. It's magnetic, right? There's a mechanism. Now the trouble is, I want to change and it's too transparent. The light's coming in, my neighbors can see me, it's not good. But there's no cord to pull down and I'm stuck. Literally, the blind is stuck. Now the trick is, you focus on my hand, okay? You have to use two hands, okay? One hand's not going to work no matter how strong you are because it's about science, about balancing the forces on both sides here, like a little plank. Okay, right in the middle, okay? You confidently exert force, right? Just put it down slowly but carefully. Use the core muscle from your stomach, okay? You see? You hear that? It's not gonna break, don't worry, okay? Slowly, slowly, okay? Slowly, slowly, don't pull too fast, slowly control, okay? Control, don't pull too fast, no jerking. Now you see? Now it's back to normal and it's still functioning here. Look at that, okay? It works because it's how it should be done and you have the problem solved. Now the disclaimer is, if you try this and you spoil it, it's on your own. So do practice it slowly and easily, and that's how I did it. Good luck and take care.